If you want to set up visual voicemail on the Samsung Galaxy A57, let me show you two methods. So the first method is with carrier-specific apps. So some carriers, like for example AT&T, T-Mobile or Verizon, they actually prefer to use their specific visual voicemail app than the Samsung one. And first of all, you have to just search on your home screen or application drawer for this application. So let's say I'm looking for a T-Mobile visual voicemail, and as you can see, I can find it over here. But if you don't have this on your phone, you have to open the Google Play Store, go for search, input the name of your carrier first, and then input visual voicemail phrase. So you can basically check if it is available. As you can see, for me, the T-Mobile visual voicemail is available. And now all you have to do is just to simply open this application and follow on-screen instructions. Of course, I cannot show you how it works because I don't have a T-Mobile SIM card, but if you have some problems, well, I will just basically check for some other tutorials with a specific setup for a T-Mobile or your carrier. And the second method, it's also possible by using the application drawer, the phone drawer. So you will have to go here and you have to search for the voicemail visual icon. So most cases you have to click here, go for the settings and search here for the visual voicemail. For me, this feature is actually not available. I cannot find it anywhere because my service provider there doesn't support it. I can just find here only normal voicemail settings. But if your region and your is supported, then you can just simply also follow on the screen instructions. And this is some base tips. Let me know if it was helpful for you.